The PC case is an essential component of any computer build, not only for its functional role in housing your components but also for its impact on aesthetics and cooling performance. In this comprehensive review, we delve into the MYRIA PC case, a product that aims to strike a balance between style and functionality. As we explore its design, build quality, cooling capabilities, cable management options, and overall user experience, you'll gain valuable insights to help you decide if this case is the right fit for your gaming or workstation setup. Design and build quality. The MYRIA PC case immediately grabs your attention with its sleek and modern design. Crafted from high-quality materials, this mid-tower case offers a robust build that exudes durability. The front panel features a clean, minimalistic look with a brushed aluminum finish that adds a touch of elegance to your desktop setup. One notable design feature is the tempered glass side panel, which allows you to showcase your meticulously crafted components. The side panel is easy to remove, thanks to the thumbscrews, making hardware installation a breeze. The case's dimensions are well balanced, providing ample space for standard ATX motherboards and a range of graphics card sizes. The interior layout is well thought out, with strategically placed cable management cutouts and tie-down points. This design aids not only in aesthetics but also in airflow optimization. Cooling performance. Effective cooling is vital for maintaining the longevity and performance of your PC components, especially during intense gaming or demanding tasks. The MYRIA PC case offers a comprehensive cooling solution with support for multiple fan and radiator configurations. The case comes equipped with one pre-installed 120mm fan at the front, along with a rear 120mm exhaust fan. This setup provides decent out-of-the-box cooling performance. However, for enthusiasts seeking even more cooling power, the case can accommodate up to 6 120mm fans in total. Additionally, if you're inclined toward liquid cooling, the MYRIA PC case supports various radiator sizes, including 240mm and 360mm at the front and 120mm at the rear. This flexibility allows you to create a custom cooling solution tailored to your specific needs. Cable management and interior space. Efficient cable management is often an overlooked but crucial aspect of a PC case. The MYRIA PC case addresses this with a well-thought-out interior design. The case includes ample space behind the motherboard tray to route and tuck away cables neatly. The inclusion of rubber grommets and cable tie-down points ensures that your build remains clutter-free, promoting airflow and showcasing your components without unsightly cable tangles. Moreover, the PSU shroud conceals the power supply and additional cables, enhancing the overall aesthetics of your build. The interior space is generous, allowing for hassle-free installation of even the bulkiest components. With support for GPUs of up to 380mm in length and CPU coolers up to 160mm in height, this case accommodates a wide range of hardware configurations. User experience. User experience is a crucial aspect of any PC case, and the MYRIA PC case excels in this department. The toolless design of the case ensures ease of assembly and component installation, making it suitable for both novice and experienced builders. The front I/O panel offers convenience with its placement, featuring two USB 3.0 ports, a USB 2.0 port, and separate audio and microphone jacks. The power button and reset button are also within easy reach. The case's airflow design and dust filtration system contribute to maintaining optimal temperatures while minimizing maintenance. Removable dust filters at the top prevent dust buildup, and they are effortless to clean. Conclusion. In conclusion, the MYRIA PC case is a compelling option for those seeking a blend of style and functionality. Its sleek design, solid build quality, and efficient cooling solutions make it an excellent choice for gaming and workstation setups. The thoughtfully designed interior, with a focus on cable management, ensures a clean and organized build. While it may not be the most budget-friendly option on the market, its features and quality justify the price point. Whether you're a seasoned PC builder or a newcomer, the MYRIA PC case provides a user-friendly experience with plenty of room for customization, making it a worthwhile investment for your next PC build.